What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Blades and Bait. Back out here at the little park with my friend Mike, and happy Memorial Day weekend, everyone. Just remember, this is the time to remember those that has fallen and sacrificed for the country, so God bless all those who stirred. Anyway, see what we can do. We'll do a little fishing. Talk to you later. So, if you guys are looking for some really unique and original, all custom designed tees, anything from your fishing, patriotic, Christian based, and just funny t-shirts like this, all designed by me or my wife, come check it out at lumenpath.net. And thank you very much, guys, for all your support. Do some float fishing. This time around I'll be using a size 4 octopus hook and one split shot. Of course, my favorite bobber, clear slip bobber. We don't have much minnows left. We have maybe about 10 minnows left, so give it a shot with minnows and we'll switch it over to something else. Yep, try it out with a live bait first. This one is a needle point octopus hook, so yep, there it is. And give it a shot with the minnows. See if there's anything here. Oh, catch it? You caught it? It looks like Mike caught something.
Yep, I don't know if my drag's too loose, so I can't get it in.
Just turn up the drag. Ooh, good sized catfish.
Okay. That's why the thing comes in so handy.
Yep. Good sized catfish, folks. Look at that. That is about a 2 pound, 3 pound catfish.
Yeah, and it's on your drop shot.
Yep, there it is.
On a hot dog.
Yep. Mike's using my drop shot. I'm using the Santee rig.
Now this one right in like
There it is. Mike caught himself a decent sized catfish. Just try and get the damn hook out of its mouth. There we go. There we go. Oop. Yeah, about a 3 pounder. Ooh, ooh, yes, there it is. Woo! Yeah, I think so. Yep. Nice. Not a bad size, folks. Look at it. Cut us a bass. Not too shabby. About a half a pound bass. Maybe about 12 inches long. Not too bad. First catch of the day, folks. Good sized bass. Not too shabby. Nice. Not a bad way to start. At least not a bluegill. There we go. Oh yes, there it is. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Yep, another one. No, largemouth. Yep. There we go, folks. Second bass. Caught on the minnow. This one's it's a little bit smaller than the first one. Probably about a good 1/4 pound bass. Not too shabby, folks. There we go. About a good 1/4 pound. bass. Nice. About a quarter pound. I'll try it out using the Berkley Gulp Minnows. Try it out with a gulp minnow, folks. See how well we do with that. Yeah. There it is. Oh, yes. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Woo. Nice. Yeah. It's actually a white bass. Whoo, my first white bass of the year, folks. Look at that. Good size, too. Probably easily about a pound. Yeah. There we go, folks. Easily about a pound of white bass. First one that I caught for the year. Not too shabby, folks. There we go. We haven't been doing bad. Been out here for only about an hour and a half now. Managed to catch us 3 bass. 2 largemouth and 1 white bass. The first one for the year. So on this Memorial Day weekend, I think I'm gonna call it quits. Enjoy some time with my family, have a little cookout. Anyway, guys, as you can see, the Berkley Gulp Minnows works very well. So if you're just starting out or just coming back to fishing like I am, give it a shot. Definitely a good lure that works. Anyway, guys, if you guys like this video, please smash that like and subscribe, folks, for some more fishing, knives, and kit videos. You guys take care. I'll talk to you later.